what is it that's wanted? If you don't know what somebody wants, how can you produce something for it? And that seems like obvious that should be the case, but it's easy to assume you know what people want without even thinking about it. There are different kinds of things. Sometimes you go and watch people, observe what they're doing. You might interview them, talk to them, look at some of the materials and some of the software or some of the systems they're already using. There are particular techniques, interview techniques, ethnography, which comes from anthropology. One particular problem that we often get when looking at the way people do things now is a tension between the current systems and the understanding we currently have and what is possible in the future. And it's quite often difficult for somebody to envisage that future.